Good morning, it's Tuesday, I don't know what day it is, July, about 16th I think, something like that. I'm up at the unit, it's 8:30, done my packing. I sold 4 items today, which is good for me. Yesterday we took 30 items to the post office, and I think it's the most we ever took, and it was really funny because I'm not sure if the post office was that hammered that we took that many, but there you go. But that's over the weekend, and that's both mine and Simon's. So today I will be listing for Simon, and I should have been listing yesterday for Simon, but I did some on my own because I needed to be at home. I don't know if any of you out there are going through the menopause, but oh my god, not enjoying it, not enjoying it one bit. I'm saying sorry, I apologise. Yeah, so yesterday I stayed at home feeling crappy, basically. So I did 21 listings of my own stuff. So today I need to get cracking. I've got 8 hours work ahead of me for Simon. Lots of things. I've chosen just random 4 boxes to start with. I think there'll be about 30 items there, and hopefully I can get crack on and get that done. I've also got a parcel coming today, so I'm quite excited. That is from, it's the British toy auction, and I won a lot of a few dolls. I think I've won 9 dolls, so I'm quite excited. I'm getting quite into these dolls now. I just need to know how to clean them because the old vinyl, oh god, I can't say the old vinyl, I can't get it clean, so I'm not quite sure. I've seen this I've seen a cleaning agent that they use in America with a woman on YouTube, but I can't find it anywhere in England, so I need to find something similar that I can clean them with. So I'll get cracking, and then when my parcel comes I will do an opening and we can see what I get. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Ooh. Am I ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, I thought I would do an unboxing. It's what I bought from an auction. It was the British toy auction. I paid £31, was it? £31, and then the rest altogether came to 49 because the rest was shipping. So let's see what we've got. So obviously it's toys, and the parcels it well. You don't let us put fragile stickers on, do you, on the boxes?
No.
Why?
Because I seen a programme on telly a couple of years ago, and it was near Christmas time, and someone went undercover in a parceling place, and when they did, they were trying to see how parcels were handled and why some get broken.
Yeah.
And with the secret cameras that they used, they were actually filming people and workers, and when they got a parcel with fragile written on it in some of the courier companies, they were actually using them as footballs.
Right.
So you're better off, basically the outcome of it was you're better off not sending it with a fragile label on it, because then they don't know it's fragile and don't kick it about. It was I shouldn't really, no, I won't say which courier company it was.
No,
It was a courier company, not Royal Mail. That's 2 boxes, isn't it?
it is a name. Yeah.
Why don't you split it right down the middle with a knife? Surprise, surprise. Can you remember what it is you got?
Yeah, dolls. Can't remember what dolls. Oh, well wrapped. One thing for sure. Half the video of me trying to get in it.
Yeah. Want some scissors, dear?
Oh, look, there's another knife here. I better put that on the floor because you don't like putting knives on
No.
the sides, do you?
This is worse than watching kids open Christmas presents.
Look at it.
Would you like me to have a go for you, dear?
No, you're alright.
Alright. There's one thing, this auction house wraps their parcels well.
We do.
Watch out, because there's stuff in there. How much did the
Never
charge?
there isn't anything in there, is there?
You're not funny. Here's me patiently holding the camera for you, and you're attacking me with flippancy.
Got sweat on that.
You will have.
Right, so altogether I paid £31, but with postage it was £49, as I just said. So the first box.
Here we go then.
Paper.
Is that all that's in it, just paper? Oh, here we go.
First one is this doll, and she's made in England.
Have a look.
Oh, look, her head moves. Or is that supposed to move?
Looks
Hold
drunk. And its head moves when its legs move.
on. Oh, that's cool, look.
Don't bust it.
Oh, her eyes move as well. That is creepy. Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes.
See if we can see it.
No, innit? Watch her eyes.
Struggling to see it. Yeah, her eyes move side to side as well.
Oh, she's a bit creepy.
Look at you, you're over at the moon. You look like a kid with a new toy.
I like dolls. Look at her. Next one. It's got a dress on, which helps. I can't read what it says on the back. I don't think it says anything actually. Oh, this is a strange one. I've never seen a doll like this.
Let's have a look then, show us.
I need to educate myself.
Look at that. It's metal, isn't it?
Yeah. And she's been,
It's been glued on the leg,
Glued.
isn't it?
her leg's been glued back on. At least
Let's
she's
see
got a
the
leg because the other one
face.
didn't have a leg. Yeah. That's a bit strange, isn't it? Ooh, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that.
I don't know. Maybe someone's repaired it. You'll find out, won't you?
Yeah. So then there's that one.
That one. That one's got no eyes.
Your face. This has got no. Don't like
Look,
that.
this one's got no eyes.
So this
That's creepy, that one.
is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's got... Oh, the teeth look real.
Might be.
Look. Look at the teeth. They look quite real, don't they? So no eyes, but some teeth in there. Your face, you don't look very impressive.
I'm not.
I thought there was another one. There should be 4 of them ones.
Just put my finger in front of that lens. There you go. Next one.
So these are babies, smaller than I thought.
Have a look.
They are,
Tweety Pie.
no, Ashton Drake dolls.
Yeah, let's look at the face.
Hair's a bit
Face.
mashy. 1.
Sylvester. Ah, that's got a nice face.
Sylvester?
That one.
Oh right, Sylvester. I thought you'd named it. I'm going to say you're getting
No.
into dolls now.
No, I'm not at all.
That one, he looks like you did when you were little.
That one's Tasmanian Devil.
So it's a 19...
It looks realistic, that.
1998 Aston Drake. That one. That's cute.
Another one. That one's Bugs Bunny.
Again, Aston
Look.
Drake. I need to clean the clothes.
Someone obviously likes the...
The clothes aren't the clothes are modern, but
Yeah.
I can't what they said that the clothes were from. The clothes aren't the original ones anyway. Oh, there's 2 more. The excitement. Are you ready for this, Simon? Yeah. Ready?
Jesus Christ.
Oh. She's got no head. Oh,
Yeah.
she's got no head. She's obviously been painted. She's ever so pretty.
One that said brain surgery. What? What's it called where they have the top of the head off?
Lobotomy.
A lobotomy. Why do they call it a lobotomy? It's a bottom and
Oh.
the top, is it?
It's been sellotaped on.
Yeah. Definitely been
A bit battered, that one.
adjusted. Maybe that's why they got clothes on. Oops, its head's just fell off.
And last but not least, this is a tall one. It's got shoes and socks. And a broken head, I think. No. Oh, she's smiling.
So look then.
It's another one with weird eyes.
Her face. It's just like Albert Moon because she's got some weird dolls.
You're right, I've seen another auction tomorrow with
Look.
34 dolls.
Look, dolls.
I don't know what I'm going to do with them.
So, are you happy with your purchase, dear?
I am.
Because the last time you said you weren't happy with your box and purchase that you unveiled online, live.
Yeah.
You did quite well out of them, didn't you?
Yeah, to
Yeah.
say that they weren't... I thought it was all tan that I'd taken out the box. One of the hedgehogs, it was an Avon hedgehog, and I got £24 for it.
Yeah.
They're a bit itchy,
Look at the
these.
state of that thing.
So we've got that one. Oh, watch the eyes, when she sits up. You ready? You're so sad. I reckon I'm going to put my end at bed for when you wake up. Do you think it'd
It's
freak
for
you
the
out?
nightmares.
Oh, this one is lovely when you tilt her head. Watch. Watch your head. Watch your eyes.
You're doing nice supposed to support a baby's head.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah.
You see, I wanted more children. You won't let me, so now I'm collecting dolls.
How many more children did you want? Jesus.
Right, so there we have it.
Right.
I'm quite pleased with those. As I
Yeah.
say, there's an auction tomorrow with 4 boxes full of dolls, but it's down at... Where did I tell you it was?
An hour away from where I'm
2 hours away.
No, an hour from where I'm
Oh,
delivering.
no. Oh, you could pick it up then, on Thursday.
I'll charge you.
You
How
can't
much?
pick it up till
How much was the
Thursday.
delivery on that?
£14,
I think it's 46 mile. That's I don't know if that's a place or.
Why, when are you going to collect it on Thursday?
No, I'm down there tomorrow.
Oh, the auction's tomorrow.
Right.
Oh, her eyes move, look. I am. I'm going to line them up at the end of the bed tonight. When you're asleep and you wake up and there'll all be these dolls staring at you.
I'm not looking forward to that.
Won't scare you. I've lost a shoe off one of them.
Right, you're gonna look
Right.
for it later.
Yeah. So, hope you've all had a good day. See you at the weekend.
Cheerio.
Turn it off then, quick. Oh.
Thumbs up.